Two antennas met on a roof and got married. The ceremony wasn't much, but the reception was excellent. You're welcome. All right, before we get started here, just want to let you know how the deer season went. So didn't end up getting one, but to be honest, we barely put any time in hunting, hardly any. A little bit in the evenings here and there. And it was really warm this year. So the temperature can kind of affect when they go into the rut and stuff too. It was really warm through November. Normally it's colder. Normally got some snow by now, at least a bit, so you can track them and stuff like that. And we were building the garage, so we were busy. So anyways, at least we got the bear. So we didn't get skunked. So that's at least, look at it that way. We got that, so we're happy about that. And anyways, just wanted to keep you updated on that because some people have been asking how that went. So that's how it went. All right, so the door is in. Awesome.
Yay!
Deadly.
It's such a nice door. I love it.
So we got an insulated panel door. It's all set up now. Love it. 8 by 12. Good to go. It's perfect.
Super easy to open and close, so I like that. Eventually we'll put an automatic car door opener on it, but not right now, because we don't have power yet.
That's chilly.
Yeah, that wind is cold. Am I out again? Yep. Good.
You want to hold?
No, I'm all right. There you go. Batter.
What?
I'll keep batter.
A sec. Something kind of messed up. Yeah, we may have to just
Want me to hold it while you do the top? Or?
stop here. Maybe do a cut.
Okay, do you have your knife?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe you could probably set it down. Maybe I'll do all this here first. So don't end up blowing off on us. How does it look down there?
It's got a saggy. Maybe start from the other end. Or something.
No, I can't because this was fully fallen.
Okay. Guess you just work your way that way.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, I'll just get it. How's that?
It's good there anyway. Oh, my land is windy.
Yeah, on this side it's cold.
Yeah. There, that's down a little. Okay, there. Should I put a staple in it?
Sure. That looks pretty decent, I think. It's kind of wrinkled now, though, is it, or no?
I'm good.
The bottom's wrinkled, but we're just going to have to deal with it.
Yeah, but it's still
Just,
good.
yeah, right. Just staple it. Out of bullets.
Yep. Looks fun.
Right?
So that looks fun. Oh, there you go.
Okay, I want to tell you about our channel sponsor, Surfshark, for this video. It's a VPN service. We're still using it. We were using it in the summer before. We use it to get on the WWE network. You can catch WrestleMania, SummerSlam, Survivor Series, all that stuff. You know what WrestleMania is. Everybody does. Anyways, we can't get it up here except through a TV provider, which is a pain in the butt, but you can get it through a VPN service like Surfshark. So we use it for that, and also helps secure, so you can securely buy things online. Christmas coming up, you can buy stuff online in different places, get deals in different places with a VPN, because you can set your location, things like that. Also super secure with a VPN, surfing the internet. A lot of people try to hack into things, stuff like that, and well, Surfshark can help you out with that. So that's also awesome. And again, with a lot of people locked down at home right now, you can get on the American Netflix. Up here in Canada on Netflix, we don't have the same content that we can get off the American Netflix, so we use it for that. And that could be the case for different platforms using the VPN too. So that's awesome. So again, Black Friday's coming up, so you can check for online shopping deals in other places by using the VPN. And right now for Black Friday, Surfshark's giving a good deal. They're giving a good deal for this week only, Black Friday week. Right now they're giving 4 months free and 83% off. So you can go to the links below to check that out. We use it, love it. Wouldn't share it to you if we didn't use it. So it's awesome. Check it out. Black Friday's happening right now. So check out Surfshark below. All right, there's the vents. They're all in. There's the front one with the door. We still got to finish putting the Tyvek here and here, or the tie par, and then along the top part here too. And then there out back, you see that one. They're all in. Same thing. Tie par there. Then on that side and then the other side. But she's coming along great. It's super windy. So that man door, we still got to pick that up. We're going to go pick that up in the truck. Going to go do that here soon. And then in here, we have that window. So we got to throw that window in too. So we'll get at that here soon too. It's all coming along. Love it. Still got to take the staging down. All that. Okay, well that's it for today. We'll see you in the next one. Garage is coming along. We're loving it. We'll update you on the door and the window next. See ya.